Welcome to our channel. Today, I will let you know the reasons for the fingerprint sensor not working effectively or not working at all. Fingerprint sensor problems on your phone. Reasons why the fingerprint sensor does not work on smartphones. There can be several reasons why the fingerprint sensor does not work on smartphones. There are several reasons that lead to the fingerprint not being able to work. Those reasons include 1. Dirty or oily sensor. If the sensor is dirty or oily or has dirt on it, it may not be able to read your fingerprint correctly. Take steps to clean the sensor with a dry cloth or a small amount of rubbing alcohol. Also clean your finger if it is oily. 2. Outdated software. If your phone software is out of date, this leads to the fingerprint sensor not being paired. Make sure your phone software is up to date by checking for updates and new settings on the latest dates. 3. Hardware problem. If there is a hardware problem with the fingerprint sensor, it may not work properly. In this case, you may need to send your phone to a professional for repair and have him examine it and then give you an answer. 4. Incorrect configuration. If you do not install the fingerprint sensor correctly, it leads to the fingerprint sensor not working as intended. Make sure you follow the instructions carefully when setting up the sensor. 5. Incompatible apps. Some apps may not be compatible with the fingerprint sensor. The sensor works with some apps, but not others. The problem may be with the app instead of your phone. Those were the reasons that lead to the fingerprint sensor not working effectively or not working at all. The following are methods to remove the problem of the fingerprint sensor not working. There are 2 methods. Let's go to work on them so that we can remove the problem of the fingerprint sensor not working. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get more videos. I will start by opening the settings section, then I will go to security to show you that the fingerprint sensor is not visible at all. After seeing that it doesn't seem like, let's go and solve this problem.
Music licensing reimagined.
Method 1. I'll go into settings, and then I'll go down to the section that says system and I'll touch it. After that I'll go to reset options, then I'll touch reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. After touching Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth, I'll touch reset settings. After method 1 is completed, restart your phone. Method 2, I will enter the setting as usual and I will go down until the part written system. I will touch it. After touching it I will go to the part written system update. I will touch it. Then I will go to the part written online update. When you finish the update, when you restart your phone after flashing, you go to the settings and you will find that your phone does not have a problem with the fingerprint sensor.